Welcome to the Snake Pit.
Alright, issue 97, same as the last issue except on the passenger side. We're going to install this lower valance. This way, 2 screws hold it in place, and then we have our door seal with the DMC logo go right there on top. Since this is a quick issue, give you a little peek of what's in the back here on this one. And they're talking about Back to the Future 3. Poster said they saved the best for last. A lot of cool information in these booklets at the back. You know, the behind the scenes type stuff. So that's another item that you're paying for, I guess, as a collector. Okay. This will align up and should kind of snap in place too. Get it aligned. Okay, that one's going to give me a little grief. There we go. Well, this one's not really snapping in place for me. Of course, the easiest things sometimes with this kit turn out to be the most buggered. Let me see if I can get that snapped in. Okay. Panel is a little bit, I don't know, just the alignment on it, but probably typical for just the real DMC vehicle as well. When it was built, panels weren't exactly aligned. But I kind of had to dip that one into place first and then get this bottom piece to snap in. But then it's going to be held in with 2 screws. I can find my screw pack. NM. They give you 3, so you get an extra. These are a little bit of a bother to put in because the door is in the way of my screwdriver handle. Come on, Chuck. It's a bit of an angle, so keep enough down pressure on it so it doesn't slip out of the screw head. Okay, that one's in. One more. Same thing over here. Get it going. Just work on here, get more pressure, down pressure. And get that one in. Just want to get it seated. Looks like it. Alright, good. Okay, now just make sure you got your DMC logo oriented correctly. Of course, M is the key there. Neat logo design. See if I can get this backing of this double-sided tape to release. Not pulling off all the sticky wicky. Piece there. Okay. Okay. Issue 97 is done. Let me get a little bit better light here. There we go. And the valance. Not too bad. We got it in place. Alright, one step closer.